Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Amnan Hussain and I'm back with another episode of Explore the Personality. So today we have very special guest from our training department and I'm talking about Mr. Fahad who is our associate training coordinator at DevSync. So let's get to know him.
Thank you so much, Amnan, for the introduction. As you said, my name is Fahad. I'm working as an associate training coordinator and it's been 4 months for me working here. I'm currently working in the training department. Previously, I've also had 1 year experience in the retail environment, and primarily it was leading like 2 teams, and it was basically training new employees. So I've been implementing what I learned in my past experiences, and I've been making sure that we grow the training department here at DevSync.
So Fahad, as we all know that DevSync is growing day by day. I mean, there's been a rapid growth since the last year.
Bilkul.
So what are we expecting from training department? So how you train the trainees and everything is going on?
Different companies, they look at it this in a different way, right?
Okay.
Some companies train new employees, some don't really train new employees. But DevSync is really focused on the training department.
Yes.
That has been going on for the last couple of years. And recently you just mentioned that we are growing as a company, and that means that we need to have more and more engineers. But that also means we need to have the same standards being maintained all the time, right?
Yes.
So to answer that question, I'd say that yes, we are growing, and that means that we are growing in the number,
Yes.
and we are maintaining the standards that we are known for in the market.
So one thing that concerns more is how to shape up the mind of a fresh trainee, because there's been a different bunch of graduates at DevSync. So how you cope with them?
They all have one thing in common, right? They're all fresh graduates.
Yes.
मतलब आप देखें कि it's whether it's CompStats, it's PUCIT, UCP, UMT, बहुत universities are, right?
Yes.
So they all have this one thing in common. They're fresh graduates.
Yes.
And that makes it easier for them to adapt to change. This is their first experience. And our training program is designed in such a way that whichever university you're from, whichever background you're from, you're very easy adapting to our training program.
Yeah.
So if someone has a problem with anything in the training department, we actually talk to them, we arrange meetings, and we make sure that each and every trainee who joins us is comfortable in the environment.
Okay. So Fahad, as a fresh graduate, if I am a fresh graduate trainee, so I worked in certain skill set, like I want to learn this language and that language. But when you come to DevSync and the training department, like you have to learn these things. So what is the match there? So how can we match the trainee and the DevSync training department? Because we have to be on the same page.
Exactly.
So what is the procedure?
That is a very good question. If you think about it, we are following a predefined timeline for our training period, right?
Okay.
So when a trainee steps in, they have a 6 to 8 weeks program,
Okay.
and they're reporting directly to the training department. They don't have to focus on anything else.
Okay.
There are a few sessions. आपको जिस तरह idea है कि we give HR sessions, we give marketing sessions, and in the end they're assigned to the training department, right?
Yes.
So if they have any prior experience, if they have interest in a different technology,
Yes.
whether it be MERN Stack, Python, React, anything,
Yes.
we try to cater that. We try to make a department.
Okay.
We try to make different documents. We try to have that officially done, so that if in the next week there's a new trainee coming and they're having experience or interest in the same stack, they can actually just jump right in and have a head start.
So आप कह रहे हैं कि वो चीज़ वहाँ पे कवर हो जाती है बिकॉज आप उस न्यू फ्रेश ग्रेड के एक्सपीरियंस के लिहाज से स्किल सेट के लिहाज से उसको आप कैटर करते हैं डिफरेंट टीम्स में या डिफरेंट ट्रेनिंग्स में.
बिल्कुल. And because we currently have like 400 people working in the company. Yes. And there are like I'd say there are 5 to 6 teams, there are 5 to 6 floors of engineers, and each of them, that's the beautiful thing, right? Each of them, they have a different background. उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग डिफरेंट लोगों से ली है, and they're being assigned new trainees all the time.
Yes.
So
and we call it a buddy.
Yes, exactly. I forgot that. Yeah. We don't call as soon as okay, I'll tell the whole story, right?
Okay.
You join the company, right? And you go through all the sessions, and now what? You're expecting someone to guide you, right?
Yes, of course.
And we use the word buddy for that. We don't really use the word mentor.
Yes.
So we say that have a meeting with your buddy today.
Yeah.
Did you have a meeting with your buddy yesterday? So they're leading your training.
Yes.
And that person is responsible for the new trainees' performance for the next 6 to 8 weeks.
So, what should a new joiner expect from DevSync training department? Can you downlist the things that we have?
Okay, when they join in, they're having their sessions, as we previously talked about.
Yes.
And again, they're being assigned buddies. They're having one-to-one discussions with their buddies.
Okay.
We have multiple group sessions.
Okay.
We have multiple team discussions.
Yes.
And because they're sitting on the same floor as an actual working team, an actual group of engineers on a live project, they are being in contact with our senior resources all the time. So it's sessions, it's discussions with buddies, it's discussions with different team leads. And I think that on an average day, they're not only working,
Yes.
they're not only working 8 hours a day, right?
Yes.
This has been talked about a lot of times
Yes.
in previous of these videos too. We don't really expect our engineers to work 8 hours in one go, right?
Yes.
So we provide them with an environment that they can make themselves more adjusted in, they can be calm in. So we have table tennis clubs, we have a snooker table right here,
Yes.
we have different games, we even have a PlayStation 4
Yeah.
in the cafe.
Even we are having different reading club and that cycling club
Exactly.
and all.
So
Yes.
that helps them in maintaining a stress-free environment,
Yes.
and it increases their productivity.
So, what does the training department actually look in a good candidate?
I think most people get this right. Whenever you're appearing for an interview,
Yes.
तीन चीजें होती हैं. First is that you need to be a professional, whether it be any company, whether you have any background. Second is that you need to be good at what you do. You need to have a passion for your work.
Of course.
And third thing that has gotten really important in the last couple of years because of the effect of COVID is that you need to be able to deliver in deadlines. You need to be able to work in a stress environment. You need to make that stressful environment a stress-free environment. And that is on the candidate. So what I would say is the extra things that a candidate should have, or what we think they should have,
Yes.
what I think they should have, is that they need to have strong communication skills. Because you cannot conversate, you cannot describe what you're saying if you're not able to like really tell someone that, right?
So coding is not the whole thing.
From a fresh graduate, we're not really expecting them to be like really good at coding. We're not expecting them to have a senior level experience. We just want them to be confident. We want them to know what they were taught in the university.
Yeah. So Fahad, as you know that many companies in Lahore specifically are not following this training program flowchart. So why DevSync is following it, and what is the importance of it?
A training department, a lot of good companies, they have a training department. A lot of good companies, they don't have a training department.
Yes.
It is not necessary that if one thing is working for one group, it is working for the other, right?
Yes.
But we believe that a training department is very important.
Yes.
Because being a fresh graduate, they don't know what they're expecting. So we give them an environment where they can collaborate with different senior resources. They can be a part of teams. And the most beautiful thing is that they are collaborating with 90, at the time we have over 50 to 60 working trainees in DevSync.
Yes.
And they have sessions every week. They're collaborating with 50 to 60 trainees of different backgrounds, different universities. So that gives them a really good opportunity to make sure that they're ready after the 2-month period.
So as you know, the technology is changing day by day and growing day by day. So I mean, there is a rapid change in any language or any framework. So what technologies does DevSync primarily focus on?
As we talked about previously, it focuses. Currently, DevSync is the leading one of the leading companies when we talk about ROR, Ruby on Rails. But we have recently started focusing on different stacks. And we have a working group for Node.js. We have a working group for React and also Python. And if we keep getting enough trainees, if we keep getting enough seniors actually helping us in the training department, which they are, we'll look for even more stacks. And I think this is not only working great for this. We're not only doing this for the growth of our company. We're doing this for the growth of our engineers because we care for them. And secondly, we're also collaborating with different universities of Pakistan, and that is helping us in connecting DevSync to like leading, I'd say, really good candidates for our workplace too.
So any message for the candidates who are looking to join DevSync? I mean, sort of interview tips and all that.
Interview tips में मैं आपको किस तरह guide करूँ? Okay, we previously talked about having communication, having a great professionalism,
Yes.
A persona. But I'd say that be confident and just trust the DevSync process. If you're not getting a call back in a week, in a month, we do have you in pipeline.
Yes.
And one other thing is that many people, they don't follow up. It's completely your right to follow up.
Yes.
There's a social media platform, LinkedIn. You can connect with our employees. You can connect with our training department. You can even connect with HR professionals or our engineers, and you can ask them for guidance.
Yes.
They are always available for our new candidates.
Okay. So can you introduce the training department? How many people are there and their positions and all that?
Currently, we have Ziaur Rahman. Basically, he's the head of product team here at DevSync, and also he's also leading the training department here at DevSync.
Okay.
And that has it's been like that for over a year now. So we currently have around 7 to 8 people working in the training department.
Yes.
It's Ziabai, it's me, and currently 5 to 6 more people from the product team.
Okay.
And each of them are senior resources, right?
Oh.
So the idea for that is that we need to have multiple ideas for a trainee. We need to have multiple feedbacks, basically.
Okay.
Because if one person is telling one thing, we cannot rely on that. We have different people, we have different feedbacks.
Okay.
So that really helps us prepare other trainees for the future.
So one more question from the interview tip.
Sure.
Is that that many fresh grads thinks like अगर आपने एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया या सब कुछ क्वेश्चंस का आंसर नहीं दिया इंटरव्यू में तो आपका वो लैग है या आप पीछे हो बाकी कैंडिडेट से. सो ये मिथ जो बनी हुई है इसको कैसे आप डिफाइन करें?
This is actually one of the first things that we talk about in our orientations.
Okay.
Perfect Allah Ta'ala ने किसी को नहीं बनाया, correct?
Yes.
I think everyone will agree when people watching will agree. तो we just have a couple of expectations और हमारे जो interviewers हैं, हमारे senior software engineers हैं, PMs हैं, leads हैं, they also know what to expect from a fresh graduate.
Yes.
Again वही बात है कि we just want them to have a good grasp, a good
Yes.
basically yes, grasp or knowledge of what they already know, what their final year project was, and what they were being taught in the university.
Okay, thank you so much Fahad for joining us. And guys, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने सुन लिया कि इंटरव्यू में हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना ज़रूरी नहीं होता. बी प्रोफेशनल एंड कम प्रिपेयर्ड एंड वी आर रेडी टू हायर यू. थैंक यू गाइस.